A 20-year-old rhythm game franchise just minted a crypto token, and its market valuation is accelerating past the $1 billion mark. The project is called Audiera. It is built on the bones of the Audition franchise, a game that has already seen over 600 million registered players worldwide. Over the last 7 days alone, the platform's native token, BEAT, jumped 300%. That kind of price action forces a difficult choice. You either step in now to capture the momentum of a massive legacy IP, or you sit out, avoiding the danger of buying at the exact peak. To decide how to play this, we have to look at the mechanics to see if Audiera is driving genuine network adoption or if retail buyers are just lining up to be someone else's exit liquidity. Under the hood, Audiera is a Web3 rhythm game running on the BNB chain. Players compete in dance battles to earn BEAT tokens. But the studio rebuilt the infrastructure to include NFTs and fully autonomous AI agents that operate directly inside the game. These AI characters, named Kira and Ray, actually hold their own on-chain cryptographic wallets. They compete in battles, collect rewards, and earn within the ecosystem exactly like a human player would. Because humans and AI are actively interacting on-chain, the platform generates measurable revenue. This creates an actual digital economy, separating BEAT from tokens backed by nothing but social media attention. This chart shows the maximum supply cap, exactly 1 billion BEAT tokens. Right now, only about 290 million of those are currently circulating. The project enforces a bullish deflationary mechanic by using platform revenue to permanently destroy tokens. So far, they have successfully removed over 12 million BEAT from circulation. But that burn rate has to compete with the remaining supply. There are still 710 million locked tokens waiting to enter the market. As those locked tokens are released, they dilute the asset. If demand stays flat, adding more tokens automatically drives the individual token price down. Those 12 million burned tokens are a rounding error compared to the hundreds of millions that will eventually unlock. For the current price to hold over the long term, platform revenue and the resulting token burns have to scale exponentially just to outpace the incoming dilution. People trading the momentum right now are capturing the immediate upside, but anyone holding for the next several years will be forced to absorb that massive wave of new supply. This chart tracks BEAT's massive timeline, tracing price history to its initial launch in November 2025. It started trading at a baseline of 7 cents. By June 10, 2026, it hit an all-time high of $5.49, nearly an 8,000% total move. Given that trajectory, current market sentiment is extremely bullish. But buying an asset after an 8,000% run is mathematically dangerous. The chart is severely hyperextended. If the market decides to pull back, the critical structural support level to watch sits down near $3.60. If the price breaks below that 360 mark, the immediate upward momentum breaks with it. Buying anywhere near $5.49 means you are capturing peak market momentum, but you are fully exposed to a massive drop if the asset corrects back down to that primary support. This flowchart maps out why a simple buy or sell rating doesn't work here. You have to match the asset to your specific strategy. If you are a momentum trader, the high volume, the proven global IP, and the current bullish sentiment offer exactly what you need for short-term setups. But you need strict risk management. That $3.60 support level should act as a hard stop loss to protect your capital. If you are a long-term investor, the logic flips. Audiera has stronger fundamentals than most of the GameFi sector, but your entry timing is wrong. You are better off avoiding an entry right now and waiting on the sidelines until the market actually absorbs that remaining 71% of locked tokens. For those executing a trade, the token is available on centralized exchanges like Gate.io and MEXC. For on-chain execution, route your transactions through PancakeSwap. The Audiera ecosystem is legitimate, the revenue burns are real, and the AI integration works. But how you interact with the BET token depends entirely on your financial timeline. Always conduct your own independent research before deploying capital into highly volatile GameFi assets. Never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. If this analysis helped you clarify your strategy, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto breakdowns.